Hi guys, today we're going to make chocolate gingerbread. So in a medium-sized bowl I have 2 cups of flour and I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt to that. In here I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of clove, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and I have 3/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. So I am going to be using fresh ginger in this, including the ground ginger. If you only want to use ground ginger, then you're going to want to use 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. And that is going in later, the fresh part. This is a half a cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to go ahead and whisk this together and put it to the side. In a larger bowl, I have half a cup of unsalted butter that I have softened to room temperature. I have 3/4 cup of light brown sugar that I packed. I'm going to cream this together now on medium speed till it's fluffy. And next I'm going to mix in 3 eggs, 3 large eggs. And now I'm going to mix in 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger grated, 1 tablespoon of fresh orange zest grated. I'm going to mix that in, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of orange extract. And now I'm going to put into this 2 teaspoons of baking soda that has been dissolved in 2 teaspoons of water. I'll make sure that I get it all in there. So now I'm going to alternately add the dry mix with the molasses. And I'm going to keep continuously doing that till it's all in and stirring in between each addition. And the molasses is unsulfured molasses, and I've got 3/4 of a cup here. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in. So I have a 9x13 baking dish that I have greased and floured, and I'm going to go ahead and pour this in here. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes and a toothpick in the center comes out clean. So you could serve this warm or completely cold. I'm just going to let it cool just slightly before cutting it into squares and serving it. So there's my chocolate gingerbread. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.